Good morning, students. Can you draw the scale? Good, it's very nice. The first on this scale is 0. 0 is centimeters. The smallest lines next to centimeters are millimeters. First 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are the centimeter. Centimeter, 2 centimeter between the smallest line is millimeter. Can you ask small questions about the measurements? How many zeros in a thousand? Thousand means how many zeros? 1, 2, 3 zeros. Next, how many millimeters in a centimeter? How many millimeters? 0 and 1. Between the millimeter line is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, 10 millimeters equal to 1 centimeter. Did you go to the clothing store and buy clothes? Okay, correct. Next, we use the meter scale for all of these. Let us see the representation of decimal numbers on a number line. Consider the decimal number 0.8. 0 is whole number part, 0.8 is decimal part. There are 8 tens, means tens, hundreds, thousands, 8 tens. We will write 8 divided by 10. 8 tens means 8 divided by 10. We know that 0.8 is more than 0 and less than 1. 0.8 is more than 0 and less than 1. 0, 1 between the lines is 0.8. Next, draw a number line and divide the intervals into 10 equal parts. 0 is centimeter and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 all of them centimeter. Next 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5, 0.6, 0.7, 0.8. Now 0.8 lies between 0 and 1. Next, can we represent 1.4 on a number line? 1.4 lies between 1 and 2. 1.4 means 1 and 2. Between the number is 1.4. Let us see now 1.4 has 1 and 4 tenths. 1 is a whole number. 0.4 is a decimal part. So 1 plus 4 divided by 10. We will write 1 plus 4 divided by 10. So it is lies between 1 and 4. So 1.4 means 1, 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4. Next, continues the problems of exercise 1.4. Represent the following decimal numbers on the number line. 1.7. 1.7 lies between 1 and 2. 1.7 lies between 1 and 2. Between means idayil. You draw the 1 scale. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 all of them centimeter. 0.1, 0.2, 0.3 is millimeter. 1.7, 1. Next 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4, 1.5, 1.6, 1.7. You put the dot, you write 1.7. Next 0.3. First of all, you draw the scale. 1 is centimeter. 1, 0, 1, 2, 3 centimeter. For 1, 0, 1. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 all of them centimeter. 0.3. 0.3 lies between 0 and 1. 0.3ங்கிறது எது ரெண்டுக்கு இடையில இருக்கு? 0க்கும் 1க்கும் இடையில். 0.3 lies between. Between means இடையில். 1 and 0 and 1. 0.1, 0.2, 0.3. 3. You put the point 0.3. Next 2.1. In the same method, first of all you draw the scale. Next 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 0 to 1. 0 to 1, 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4, 1.5, 1.6, 1.7, 1.8, 1.9, 2. 2.1. So 2.1 lies between 2 and 3. Next, between which two whole numbers the following decimal numbers lie? Between means 3.3. 3.3 lies between 3.3, 3, 3.1, 3.2, 3.3. 3.3 lies between 3 and 4. Next 2.5, 2.1, 2.2, 2.3, 2.4, 2.5. 2.5 lies between 2 and 3. Next 0.9, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5, 0.6, 0.7. 0.8. 0.8 lies between 0 and 1. Okay. Next, find the greater decimal number in the following. First one, 2.3, 3.2. First sum, 2.3 and 3.2. Find the greater decimal number. Given 2.3 and 3.2. First of all, you compare 2.3 and 3.2. Comparing the whole numbers. First one, the whole number of 2, and another one given the whole number is 3. We get 2, 3. You compare is 2 less than of 3. 2 less than of 3. 2 is smallest number, 3 is greatest number. So 2 less than of 3. 3 விட compare பண்ணும்போது 2 is less than number. So 2.3 less than 3.2. The greatest number is 3.2. The greater number is 3.2. Next, given 5.6, 6.5. Given 5.6 and 6.5. Compare 5.6 and 6.5. Comparing the whole number 5, 6. Comparing the whole number 5 and 6. We get 5 less than of 6. 5 less than of 6. You comparing 6 is greatest number, less than of 5. 5 is smallest number. Therefore, the greater number is 6.5. 5.6 less than 6.5. So, the greatest number is 6.5. Third one, 1.2, 2.1. Given 1.2 and 2.1. Comparing the whole number parts 1 and 2. 1 is smallest number, 2 is greatest number. Comparing 1 and 2, we get 1 less than 2. 1 is smallest number and 2 is greatest number. 1 less than 2. 1.2 less than of 2.1. Okay, the greatest number is 2.1. Next, fifth, find the smaller decimal number in the following. First one, 25.3 and another one 25.03. Given the numbers 25.3, 25.03. First of all, we compare the whole numbers. Whole numbers are same. Next, you compare the tens place. First of all, you compare the whole numbers. Two numbers, compare the whole numbers. First number is 25 and another one number is 25. So, 25 is same. Compare the whole numbers. First, here the whole numbers and tens place are equal. Here the whole numbers are equal. So, next we comparing the tens place. First tens place we get 3, 0. 3 and 0. So 3 is greatest number. Comparing the tens place. We get 3 greater than of 0. Which, first of all, you read the question. Find the smaller decimal number. Smaller decimal number. Therefore, the smallest number is 25.03. 25.03. Next, given the two numbers are 7.01 and 7.3. Here the whole number parts of the given two numbers are equal. 7. Whole numbers are equal. Next we compare the tens place. First tens place 0, 3. Comparing the digits at tens place we get 0, 3. 0 less than of 3. So 0 is smallest number, 3 is greatest number. Therefore 7.01 less than of 7.3. The smallest number is 7.01. Next, third one, 5.6, 6.05. Given the numbers are 5.6 and 6.05. Compare the whole numbers. We get 5 and 6. 5 less than of 6. 5.6 less than of 6.5. Therefore, which one is smallest number? 5.6. Next, challenging problems. 12th one. Convert the following decimals into fractions. Decimals into fractions. Next, fractions into lowest term. First of all, convert decimals into fraction to lowest term. 2.125. First of all, given decimal numbers. Decimal numbers converted into fractions. How many digits? 1, 2, 3. So, 2.125. 3 decimal part means up and down multiple and divided of 1000. So 2125000 cancel, divided by 1000. So multiple of 5. 2 5s are 10, 0 0. 4 5s are 20, balance 1. 2 5s are 10. Balance 2, 5 5s are 25. Next, 4 5s are 20, 0. 8 5s are 40, balance 2, 5 5s are 25. Next, 8 5s are 40, 1 5 is 5, 6, 7, 8, 7 5s are 35. So, therefore, the lowest term is 17 divided by 8. Second one, 0.0005. How many digits? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 means up and down multiple of 10,000. 0.0005 into 10,000 divided by 10,000. So 5, 10,000. Okay. How many? 0.4? 1, 2, 3, 4. Cancel. 1 5 is 5. 2 5s are 10. 0 0 0. So the simplest form is 1 divided by 2000. Okay. Next, represent the decimal numbers. 0. Represent the decimal numbers 0.07 and 0.7 number line. Okay. 0.7 means 0. 0, 0.1. So 0.01, 0.02, 0.03, etc. 0.07. So 0.07 lies between 0.07 lies between 0 to 0.1. 0 to 0.1. Next 0.7. Next you draw the number line 0. 1, 0.7, 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5, 0.6, 0.7. That one is 0.7. So 0.7 lies between 0 and 1. Okay, next 14th sum. Write the following decimal numbers in words. Following decimal numbers in words. 4.9. 4.9. Next 220.0. 220. Next 0.7. 0.7. Next 86.3. EIGHTY 86 point 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 3 THREE. Next 15th one. Between which two whole numbers the given numbers lie? 0.2. 0.2 lies between 0.2 lies between 0 and 1. 0.2 lies between 0 and 1. Next 3.4. 3.4 lies between 3 and 4. Next 3.9. 3.9 lies between 3 and 4. Next 2.7. 2.7 lies between 2 and 3. Next 1.7. 1.7 lies between 1 and 2. 1.3. 1.3 lies between 1 and 2. Okay, next 16th sum. By how much is 9 divided by 10 kilometer less than 1 kilometer? 9 divided by 10 kilometer less than 1 kilometer. Express the same in decimal form. Write in decimal form. So 9 divided by 10 kilometer less than 1. For 1 less than of 9 divided by 10 kilometer. So LCM is up and down. First term up and down multiple of 10. 1 divided by 10 into 1 divided by 10 minus 9 divided by 10. 1 times are 10 divided by 10. Denominator is same. So compare the numerator. 10 minus 9 divided by 10. 1 divided by 10 kilometer. Write in decimal form. Decimal form means 0.1 kilometer. Okay, thank you students.